Mia's looking at me. She's like, dude, Just, what are you doing? Oh, man.
1, 2, 3.
I woke up dizzy today and had to do the Epley maneuver. Yikes. Let there be light. Going to Manila Ocean Park today. Hey, sexy. How we doing? Here we go. Woo! Hey, good to see ya.
Diyan po rin sa tapat namin.
Okay.
Pag yung bag.
Hello. How's it going? Yeah, we can eat. Woo! Feels good to see some water, even though it's not like the super cool water that you see in Philippines, but it's still good to see some water while you're in the city. No, not at all. Ooh, it's so windy out here. Oh, hey. I cannot even see anything. It's so bright, so windy. Wow. Hello. Got two? Yeah. This is nice. Thank you.
Chicken, 1 chop suey, 1 steamed white rice cup, and 1 bottled water.
Yep, that sounds about right. I was actually just about to say that. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're at this nice Asian restaurant getting lunch before we check out the Ocean Park Aquarium, and we got a whole plate, a palette of stuff coming out. Got a San Miguel Light, she got a green mango shake, got a side of rice, we got chop suey, we got lemon pepper grilled chicken, I think it was, if I remember correctly, and yeah, I'm excited for it. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, Mia looks hungry. When Mia gets hungry, her face gets all weird. She looks like someone stepped on her foot when she's hungry. That's what she looks like. Really? For sure. It's so funny. I love vlogging in Manila. It's so easy because everyone just like, if you're just got like the camera like playing, they don't really tell you they don't really, it doesn't bother them, you know. I don't feel like, I have like been told to not film many times by security guards, like when I'm in like business establishments, and I'll just be like, oh yeah, sure, and then but I still manage to get the shots anyway. So, but like in most places I never have a problem. It's awesome. This place is very nice though. Definitely got a good vibe to it. Hopefully the food's good as well. I'm excited. Got a mango smoothie thing, a water, and of course San Miguel. Yeah, try it, Mia. What do you think? It's so good. Oh my god, I love it. Yeah. What is that face? Is sweet? Is sour? Nah, it's sour, but it's good. Like the Miguel, of course, is great. You know. Yeah. I'm gonna try a very sour green mango. Let's see how it goes. Oh man, it's like tart and sour, but I recommend trying it. It's good. It's a green mango. Oh, that ice cold San Miguel is fantastic. Wow, I love it. You know, life is about enjoyment. You just gotta get out there and do stuff. Once you get out there and you get where you're trying to go, it's awesome. Like the ride here was horrible because I have high standards for rides. That's why it's horrible, but we were in a standard car because all of the cars in Philippines are like standard. In Bangkok, they're all automatic, so it's a much smoother ride because they don't have to shift the gears and make the Bangkok cars with grab. But here, it's like stick shift. And this last car we were in was like, we were like getting jerked and pulled like for like an hour on the way to Ocean Park today. I had my AirPods in and I was just watching YouTube, so that helps a lot. But if I didn't, that would have sucked. Very uncomfortable ride, but yeah. I'm like absolutely sure if we combined the San Miguel light beer with that green mango smoothie, it would be outstanding. Probably not going to do it because, yeah, maybe I will do it. I just got done talking about how you got to do things, so. Just a little bit. Try it. Mia's looking at me. She's like, dude, Just, what are you doing? Oh, man. I was right. That green mango with the beer tastes awesome. I'm not even making that up. It's really effing good. It's really good. I'm pressuring Mia to take a sip of the San Miguel. She's afraid she's gonna get tipsy, and I'm like, nah, you're good. You like it? Do you like? No. She doesn't like the San Miguel. That's okay. She doesn't have to like it. I like it. That's all that matters. Mia just tried the new smoothie with the beer, and she agreed with me that it was good. Whoa, looks good. Looks great. Excited. Those are big portions. I hope I can put that away. Like, chop suey looks good.
Finally, I am happy.
The grilled lemon chicken. Mia's finally happy again. It literally looks like someone's pinching her and stepping on her foot and poking her in the eye when she's hungry. Like that just gives you a visual. She's like her eyebrows just get clenched and she's just like pissed off if she gets hungry. It's a dangerous spot to be. Got the Captain America biceps. You're welcome. Cheers.
Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be.
Oh, it feels so good, bro.
You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Oh, wow. Whoa, he's so cool. Whoa. Hold it up, Mia. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa now. Very cool.